Little addition, bathroom, walk-in closet. It's a bedroom with its own exterior access right here.
Right next to my ear, and he goes, oh yeah, because that probably was a rude awakening.
All right, we ended the day a little early. It was 88 degrees in the afternoon. So this morning we got here, hour and a half. We threw the trusses up, got the lacers up. We're gonna get this sheeted up, racks on it, some fascia, and get this locked together. So we only have to cut the roof open one day and have it open to the elements, which it still won't be open to the elements. There we Okay, so I had to frame the jack rafters in and the ridge and everything. So there's multiple ways to skin a deer. And this way we decided to not have any problems. Strip all the shingles, took all the steel off, dry it all in with ice and water shield. Do what we gotta do. So the existing ridge cap was left and they put steel right over it. So, you know, you do what you gotta do. We decided to strip the whole thing so we can lay our framing down the right way on top of the old roof here and then dry it all in. So we had 2.5 inches of rain in like an hour and a half or 2 hours. So we want to make sure we don't have any problems. I'm not ruining anybody's house. Stay tuned. See your frame soon. Peace. So with two guys, I'm just being smart. Dried it all in first. Total ice and water shield. No way it can get the house wet. We'll be good to go. Now we can frame it all in and do what has to be done and get it dried in on top and then be good to go.